Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you and I hope you enjoy all my recipes and I hope you will really try out all these dishes. I'm going to do this lady's finger salad. It's a difference. There is a big difference. Salad means everybody knows how to make the salad, but this salad is something different. So we will see how this salad is done. Come, we'll all get together, or when I do, watch and see how I am going to make it. To make the lady's finger salad, I have to on the cooker first, just about a tablespoon of oil, and warm it up slightly. Then we add the lady's finger, which I have cut into thin slices, to a slant, not straight, but to a slant I have cut it. Generally lady's finger, if you can cut to a slant, either thick or thin, it's nice. But here, for this salad, I am using the thin slices, not very thick. Once you temper it slightly, now see it's getting tempered. It's a salad, so we are not going to cook for long. Capsicum chilies also I can use, and if you want, you can use the red pepper also, which is, if you like, red pepper if you want you can put, capsicum is nice, those two also I have put, and along with that onions, all cut into small square pieces, and garlic too. All that together we have already put, slightly tempering it. So when I say tempering, we don't use too much of oil in this, like slight to temper only. Salad means we don't have to cook too much, only the lady's finger I wanted it to be slightly stir fried, more like. Once you stir fry this, if you like, you can use moldy fish also, slightly mix it, moldy fish, that is also, if you like, you can use this moldy fish into it. Stir fry that also. So far we have not used any other ingredient as such. We have used all the vegetables, lady's finger, capsicum, red pepper, onions, garlic, all that I have put. Now we will use, now only I am going to use the salt. Salt we put according to the flavor and taste you like. Then a little pepper. They are also not too much, but a little pepper. Chili pieces, that too we don't need too much, but we can use a little chili pieces. Like one lady's finger is equivalent to one egg. So it is really good for us to use lady's finger, but don't cook too much. Now see how I am doing it. It is not too much like. Before I take it off the cooker, pepper and salt only I put. Now we use a lime. This is something different to the normal preparation, so you can see how it comes. Now I put the lime and everything, and it's very nice. You can see the salad how it is. When you see the salad itself, it's nice. You can have it with rice, you can have it with anything that you like, and we have to slightly decorate it. Little bit of parsley in the middle and a bit on the side. Parsley too can be served with that, so please remember, you are not taking out the parsley away, so that is really nice to have with the parsley. And of course a little red pepper, which is going into this. Now this is the salad that I have done, quick and easy to make. To make this salad, you can see how it looks. Salad, when you make, you can use it with the rice. Even with the plain rice, this type of salad is very nice. Not only that, you can have it with bread, string uppers, whatever you want it to, whatever you like, you can have it with that. It's very tasty, something different to the normal salad. And I will hope to see you next week with another episode. I hope you will enjoy, and please wait for the next episode. Very soon I'll be there with you.